How do you think forgiveness could change your life? Let's do this tapping exercise. We're going to take the right hand, you're going to tap it like the side of the left hand. I choose to release this now. Side of the eyebrows, this anger. Side of the eyes towards this person. Under the eyes, this thing that happened. Under the nose, it's so hard to let go. Under the mouth, because I feel I was right. On the collarbones, I don't want to forgive. Underarm, I don't want to condone this behavior. Top of the head, it's time to release. Side of eyebrows, time to let go. Under the eyes, just a little bit. Under the nose, releasing this anger. Under the mouth, from every cell of my body. Collarbones, letting go. Underarms, letting it all go. Top of the head right now. Now relax, let your hands float down. Eyes are closed. Take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Feel Mother Earth taking whatever it is that you wish to release, or whatever it is that needs to be released is no longer serving you. She says, let me take it, child. Soften your belly. If you're feeling more comfortable, like you're feeling really raw and vulnerable, the right hand on the belly, just below the navel, and the left hand on your heart, right in the center of the chest. Just soften into this space of conscious feelings and holding your center. Breathing into any feelings of sadness, of fear, of anger, of joy. And then opening the eyes. And I'll give you one more practice that we can do with the practice of forgiveness. And this is an ancient technique from Hawaii, from the Hawaii elders and masters, known as Ho Opono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. And you can say this as many times as you need to. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. It's a wonderful practice to do with someone. You can look right in their eyes and share this experience with them quite powerfully. Sometimes ancestors will come through with each other. And it's a very, very powerful ancestral healing as well. So that's what I've got to share with you today, my beloveds. Thank you so much for your precious time. And again, I am Mataji, and I'm here to be of support to you. Let's co-create together. I feel so strongly that we are doing that. We are creating movement in a positive way in spite of the big push back of counterintuitive backwardsness that seemingly is going on in our world. It is my vision and my hope and my steady holding that we will have no more wars in the near future. You know, I take that with we will all be treated in the sacred feminine, of the balance of masculine and feminine, with equality, with justice, and that we are standing firmly in our truth, and that we don't have any fear to express our truth, and that we can do it in a very courageous and loving manner. Because each of us holds a unique expression of truth. It's known as the Sat Nam. And when you vibrate Sat and Nam, you express that audibly or just mentally. You express that vibration of truth is my nature, I am truth, and then you vibrate that out. I'm constantly having people share with me how great it is to just hang with me, just to be with me, that my energy is really, really good. And gratefulness with a sense of humility, because it's been a life lesson and a life journey for me for a very long time, and not really even, I guess it's been almost half of my life, but it's been a very long time that I've been very, very focused on improving and accelerating and expanding my energy so that I can be of more service. And we all have the ability to do that. These are healing, great times of healing and change, and we are in a revolutionary time with Pluto and Aquarius. So sage warriors, rise up. Let's do this. Sending you so much love. Go in beauty. Peace be with you until we meet again in the light of our hearts. Remember about the YouTube channel. Please donate if you can. $1 or more is so greatly appreciated. And come and see me here in Las Vegas, here at the Kundalini Sanctuary. We're on Google listings, we're on Apple. We're very available to you. So take advantage and come and join our live streams if you can't be here physically. All righty, Sat Nam.